जैसा कि आपको पता है देश में एजुकेशन का महत्व काफ़ी होता है। ऐसे में ली हमने कुछ स्टूडेंट्स की राय और जाना उनका ओपिनियन क्या है इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम पर। What is your perspective about Indian education system?
In Indian education system, like the international board and the CBSE board has very good education compared to our state board. In state board, we don't get that level of education which we are required. Because whenever you want to appear for an entrance exam, you have to prepare for it separately. Whereas the state board and international board are very different. There is a very huge difference in both of them. Like an international board and CBSE board, they can directly give for them. They don't have to prepare extra, but we have to prepare extra and take separate classes for them.
After listening to Indian education system, first thing which comes in my mind is India is focusing on more theoretical things as compared to more practical things. So first thing ये changes implement होने चाहिए.
It's kind of a rigged system. There are different classes. There are lot of classism around it that needs to be changed. Like for example, the richest person's son should sit with the person who cleans the street. That's all I'm saying.
The scenario now is really bad. It's facing so many issues in our education right now. The fees they are taking and the quality of education they are giving is nothing up to the mark. I'll say that. And about the system, about the syllabus and everything, I think it should be changed from I'm a law student. From last 10 years, like the same syllabus is going on. There are no changes, the laws.
I can't say that Indian education is totally worst thing, but the thing is, all the things are needed is changes. Changes is the most important thing. We can't stick to one thing for many years.
Yeah, as you told, it is a bit outdated. We need some changes, like we need to implement like practically to understand all things. If we do it by ourselves, it will be much more easy to understand.
As India is growing as an environment, like as an education, but the thing is we aren't focusing on practical studies. It's like mostly we are only like in theoreticals and like studying materials and all that. We don't get particularly like the practical education what we really need.
इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम इतना बेकार है, थर्ड क्लास है कि जिसकी कोई सीमा नहीं है. अभी इसके बारे में ज़्यादा क्या बताऊं मैं, लेकिन इतना प्रॉब्लम है सब इसके अंदर. एजुकेशन जो टीचर से लेके स्टूडेंट से लेके पेरेंट्स से लेके हर एक को प्रॉब्लम है. कोई इसका इलाज होना चाहिए.
पर्सनली हम लोग से तो वी कुड रिलेट टू द टॉपिक जस्ट बिकॉज हमारा फैकल्टी अच्छा है, बट दूसरे लोग के लाइक BMM एंड BCom वो सब इज मोर लाइक थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है.
I can see in examples, it is like a book. It's like a thick book and they are just giving us to like learn and learn and learn and learn everything.
Do you think teachers are getting good facilities for teaching?
कहीं के प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट्स में ऐसा भी है कि लाइक फैसिलिटी ठीक ठाक है, पर द थिंग इज कि जो टीचर्स है ना वो खुद उतने अवेयर है नहीं कि वो फैसिलिटीज को यूज कैसे करना है. तो लाइक अवेयरनेस भी एक ये. और सेकेंड थिंग इज ये कि जो डेवलप्ड सिटीज है सच एज पुणे, मुंबई एंड आज बेंगलोर, यहाँ पे तो फैसिलिटीज़ है, लेकिन अगर हम लोग रूरल एरियाज में चले जाए तो वहाँ पे सर टीचर्स वेल एजुकेटेड बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
Well, I think they are getting everything from private institutes. They are getting everything, but there are teachers who give their 100%. But there are teachers who just come for the sake of the salary.
We can't blame that facilities and other facilities are there. Teachers are also really good. They are very kind. They are always helpful. But the thing is, there is always restrictions are there due to our system.
Of course, it depends upon how the college is or how the system or the organization is.
टीचर लोगों को प्रॉपर फैसिलिटी मिल रही है, लेकिन क्या उनको टेंशन वाला काम उनका भी है. उनको मैनेजमेंट की ओर से, ऊपर से गवर्नमेंट की ओर से इतना प्रेशर है कि वो उसमें से बाहर आ ही नहीं पाते.
Actually, no, because on a government level, it's different. On a private sector, it's different. Like, there's comparison.
So what type of teaching method they should look for?
It should be more interactive.
I think it should be very comfortable. The language the teachers use, and the teachers should be more updated about the thing. We need something more interesting. We want everything new.
Usually, what people do, what teachers do is that they write on board, they explain stuff, and that's all. But this is not what we really need. What we really need is something like visiting industries, learning about the real process.
स्किल्स के ऊपर ज़्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए. ज़्यादा ध्यान थियोरी पे देते हैं लोग, क्योंकि हम लोग एनिमेशन में, ठीक है, तो हमारा स्किल ज़्यादा बेटर होना चाहिए थियोरी से.
Basically, communication towards student, like दोनों का कम्युनिकेशन बेटर होना चाहिए, टीचर और स्टूडेंट का।
Do you think India can overshadow such countries like USA or Canada in coming future?
जिस वे में चल रहे हैं उससे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा। इम्प्लीमेंटेशन और चेंजेस जरूरी हैं, मोर प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स पे फोकस करो।
If the education system changes, if we get what we should, then for sure it's going to happen.
It will take time because those countries are really developed and the education systems are one of the top best.
But yeah, definitely, if we change and if we improvise by time, we can definitely have that standards.
नहीं, उनका कहाँ मुकाबला कर पाएंगे। उनमें वही सिस्टम इधर भी होना चाहिए।
ऑब्वियसली हो सकता है, क्यों नहीं? बाहर के लोग भी तो आ सकते हैं इंडिया के अंदर।
कर सकते हैं।